The German government has presented a proposal for a law that will make it easier for people to legally change their name and gender, ending decades-old rules that require them to get expert assessments and a court's authorization. Under the planned self-determination law, adults would be able to change their first name and legal gender at registry offices without any further formalities. The existing transsexual law, which took effect in 1981, currently requires individuals to obtain assessments from two experts whose training and experience make them sufficiently familiar with the particular problems of transsexualism, and then a court decision to change the gender on official documents. Germany's governing coalition had promised to abolish the transsexual law when it came to power in December 2021. The new government proposal declares that for children under the age of 14, legal guardians have to submit the declaration of change, while teenagers aged 14 and older should be able to submit the declaration of change themselves, but it should include the support of their custodians. Minors between 12 to 13 years old need a judge's authorization to change, while those between 14 and 16 must be accompanied by their parents or legal guardians. Over the years, Germany's top court has struck down other provisions that require transgender people to get divorced and sterilized and to undergo gender transition surgery. Germany's government isn't the only one trying to make gender changes easier in Europe. Spain had passed a law earlier this year that allows people over 16 years of age to change their legally registered gender without any medical supervision. The passage of Scotland's bill in December was hailed by transgender rights activists, but it was then vetoed by the British government, which argued that it could undermine UK-wide equality legislation that guarantees women and girls access to single-sex spaces such as changing rooms and shelters.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.